Okay, let me expose you to what are common and natural logarithms. Now, logarithms to base 10 are called common logarithms. Okay, so let me just write logarithms to base 10 are common logarithms. Okay, they are written as log base 10, or also known as, this is also known as log. Okay, so this is understood. Log LG is actually log to base of 10. So in other words, the general rule is log, if log y equals to x, that means log base 10 to y is also equals to x. Therefore, y is equals to 10 to the power of x, since 10 is the base. Alright, okay, let's move on to natural logarithms, which we call ln. Let's move on to the next page. Okay, natural logarithms. Okay, natural logarithms have a base of e. Have a base e. Now, e is a constant, which is actually 2 point, which is approximately, which is approximately equals to 2.71828. Okay, so natural logarithms have a base e. Okay, so therefore ln is actually log base e. Okay, it's understood. So ln y, if ln y equals to x, log base e to y is equals to x. Since e is the base, e to the power x is equals to y. Alright,